The all-new BMW iDrive 7 operating system includes a new way to interact with it via voice commands by just saying, "Hello, BMW." To activate, select Car on the left side menu of the control display. Next, choose Settings, then General Settings, and then select Language. Scroll down and check Activation with Hello BMW. You can even add an activation keyword of your choice or use this feature to name your assistant, for example, Gina. To set this up, select Personal Keyword. Tap Start Recording, and then say your new keyword.
Please say my new personal activation word.
Gina.
I've saved the personal activation word.
Confirmation that your keyword was identified will be displayed in the menu. The voice commands allow you, or, if equipped, your front passenger, to do many new functions hands-free. Hello, BMW.
Hello, what can I help you with?
Set the temperature to 74 degrees.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 74 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hey, Gina. Set my seat heat to level 3.
I'm setting the seat heating on the driver's seat at level 3.
Hey, Gina. Turn the radio to 100.3 FM.
I'm playing the frequency 100.3.
For more information, you can find additional BMW Genius videos here on our YouTube channel. You can call the BMW Genius hotline or ask a BMW Genius at your nearest BMW center.